finding it difficult to get your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, then this video is paramount to you, because on this video I'm going to show you the exact thing I applied on this my channel in order to get 4,000 watch hour in 2 weeks. So do well not to scroll, because every information you're going to get from this video is going to help you in your YouTube growth journey. First of all, I'm going to tell you what the meaning of watch time is, because most people would think that they have a growth problem, but you don't have a growth problem. What you have is watch time problem. Let me be honest with you, I used to post videos every day randomly, but I'll still be getting 5 views, 9 views, 2 views on my YouTube channel. But as I applied this method, this Alishaniki News, this my channel here, skyrocketed, and I got to over 2,000 subscribers now, and I got that 4,000 watch hour just in 2 weeks. So you have to listen carefully, because in this video I'm going to list many points that is going to help you get to your 4,000 watch hour just in 2 weeks. First of all, YouTube does not care how many videos you post every day. It cares about only one thing: how long people stay on your video. That's it. Most times you can post every day, but if your videos are not catchy, if your videos are not intriguing, there is no way people will stay on your video. Let me break it down for you. We need 4,000 watch hour, which is 240,000 minutes. Now imagine this: you post a 10 minutes video, but people only watch it for 1 minute. There's no way that it will go, because your videos are boring. Now you post a 10-minute video and people watch it like 7 minutes and above, even if they don't watch it the end, but maximum 7 minutes. Definitely you're going to get that 4,000 watch hour that you have been looking for. Have you ever clicked the video and the person starts like this: hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about, before they even reach the point, you have already left. Be honest, I know you have done that. Exactly, that's what people are doing to your videos too. But not to worry, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem so that you can start getting that visibility and watch time hour. First one is fire, not intro. Nobody cares. Hi guys, my name. Nobody cares about your name. Start with stop scrolling. If your videos are not getting views, why? Do this immediately. You see how it sounds? But if you start with, hi guys, my name is Princess Ginika, if I start like that, you're going to scroll and pass. Nobody has time. Attention span is very expensive. Okay, so the second thing you have to do is cut out boring parts. As I'm shooting these videos, I have a lot of mistakes, but I have to slow down and cut it, because when you're slow, people is going to leave fast. So you have to cut everything. Cut the silence, cut the long pauses. Nobody has time to check time. Make your videos fast. Let it feel like TikTok energy. Shake it with energy. The third one is make longer videos, but make it interesting. Not 2 minutes videos. Do 8 to 12 minutes videos, but don't make it boring. No, mix it with stories, mix it with examples, small joke. Let people enjoy it. Let it be relatable. It will help people to stay there, to make it more interesting, make it relatable. If you're just serious on the camera, oh my name is Ginika, oh what did you, nobody is going to watch your videos actually. Then the fifth thing that you're going to do is keep them on your channel. Don't just say bye and go. No, say something like this: wait, before you go, watch the next video. It will help you grow faster. Or before you go, smash that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for any time I post new videos or new updates. That's how you double your watch hour. Not, hey, hello guy, bye, love you. No. The fifth one is create binge-worthy content. Let your videos connect. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Before they know it, they have watched 5 of your videos. That's the real truth moment. You have to connect your videos. You have to use YouTube cards. If you want me to teach you how to use YouTube cards, so that when people are watching your videos, YouTube will recommend the second video that they will watch. Let me tell you something most people don't know. You don't need 1 million views. You just need people to stay. Even small views, if let them just watch longer, you're going to grow. You don't need 10 billion, because you can see 10 billion views, but your watch time hour will still be 2 watch hour. Okay, let me give you an example. Video A, 10,000 views, but people watch for only 1 minute. Then video B, 1,000 views, but people watch for 8 minutes. Video B will grow faster than video A. Think about it, because why? People stayed longer. YouTube is watching how long people stayed on your video, and not how many videos you post or how many views you post. Okay, so if you're posting and nothing is happening, it's not because you're not good, it's because people are not staying, and now you know how to fix it. Stop that. So if you want to hit your 4,000 watch hour faster, most people will say, I'm still growing this my channel. I started this my channel this week. So if you want to know how I grew this my channel to 4,000 watch hour, do well to smash that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and don't go. Please watch the next video. This is where growth will really start. Okay, I'm going to teach you on this channel how I grew this my Alishaniki News to this massive amount of subscribers. Don't say my channel is too small. What does she know about 4,000 watch hour and what I have grown? I have even monetized faceless channel, so I'm using that tips and tricks to come here to teach you guys. Do well not to miss any updates. See you guys in my next video. Bye.